This is quite tricky because the LCD flex cable is located underneath the LCD, which is, I think you need 4 hands to complete this repair, but try my best. I'm gonna test if the digitizer works, and it does. It's quite amazing actually. I'm very stressed out by this repair, and now it's working. This is encouraging, which is nice. You can now type on it. Also testing the home button. It's time for us to assemble everything. So we're in the home run stretch. So I'm gonna put back the very tiny screws and trying to bury my head in just to focus. So this is a very bad angle. There you go.